Welcome back, everyone. Mondays with the Masons. This week is exciting. Yeah. We're with John Farrell, a buddy of ours, a friend. He's our favorite lender. He's who our team uses, who I use for personal homes, and he's someone that we trust immensely. If you go to him for anything, he's going to tell you. If his team can do it, if he can't, he's going to get you to the best person. We really love and appreciate.
I mean, that is like the nicest thing anyone's ever said to me. Thank you
we love
so
you.
much. I really appreciate it.
He's our guy. If you can't feel the love through the camera here, it's here. Let me tell you.
Well,
and we're here in his beautiful office, by the way. I mean, pretty cool.
Yeah.
Nice spot.
Thank you guys.
Well, John, anyway, so we just wanted to get your ideas and what you think is the best first step, I guess, in starting the lending process, and when should you start it?
That's a great question. I mean, we all know what normally happens in our industry, but for any of you potential home buyers out there, my suggestion would be, before even talking to, a lot of you have already talked to your agents, but before even talking to your agent, I know you're all on Redfin or Zillow looking at homes, talk to a trusted lender to get the right information and on getting pre-approved. And the reason why I say that is because a lot of times, and I think you guys are both aware, a buyer, husband and wife, or a couple, they see a house and they call you right away and they're like, hey, we want to make an offer on this house. And what happens? What do you usually say to them?
There's multiple offers, they're due by Monday, and you gotta go get pre-approved.
Yeah, and they want to make an offer when? Tomorrow?
Yeah.
So then they call someone like myself or whoever out there, and they're like, hey, we need a pre-approval letter and we need it by 9 a.m. Now we can do that, but it's tough, especially when you're really busy. So my suggestion is 6 months before you're even really considering buying, talk to a trusted lender, get pre-approved, provide all your income and asset documentation, and let them run your credit. Let them actually learn about you, and then you can ask them questions and see, do I qualify for this home? Do I qualify for the purchase price? Are there any red flags? Maybe your credit score isn't as good. Maybe you don't have enough trade lines. Whatever that is, you want to get coached on if there's any red flags. That way, if there is, you've got time to fix those before you actually start making offers. That kind of went on.
No, that's perfect.
Great.
That's perfect. And I think I saw a little crystal ball over there or something. What do you think right now the hot topic is interest rates? What's going on with interest rates now? What do you see moving on into the future?
Yeah, so I wish I was Warren Buffett or one of those
Bill
Gross or one of those guys.
That's what
I don't know. I don't know. I do know rates have gone up. I do know that, and I know it's unfortunate. And you really can't time rates out when you're buying a home. So that's uncontrollable. You just can't control it. What you can control though is when you're in the home, if rates go down, you can snag one of those good low rates on a refinance. And there's going to be ebbs and flows on rates at all times. So that's my suggestion. Where do we see rates going? I know you guys that. I don't know. Realistically, they've already gone up a good amount, and maybe they go up a little bit more. It really depends on what the Feds do to fight inflation and how aggressive they are.
Perfect. Well, Tara, I think that's everything.
I mean, I think that about covers it.
John, have you watched Mondays with Masons?
Have you gone to the end of the video?
Have you gone to the end of the video?
I have.
Do you know how we sign off?
You guys track me?
Do you know how we sign off?
Yeah.
We'll talk to you
Next week.